guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to peel beans fast and easy.
So I keep my beans in the freezer to avoid weevils, so it stays as clean and fresh as possible.
So it's time to rinse, and we're going to keep rubbing the beans and rinse it until we are very satisfied that all the chaff has gone off. So there I'm going to keep on straining it and putting in fresh water to strain. But if you're trying to manage water, you don't need to pour the water out. The water in the sink can as well be poured into a bowl and you recycle it. Use it again and again till you are satisfied that your beans is clean and you have no leftover chaff. Then you can put fresh water for the final wash. Meanwhile guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to other people. I will be showing another video of how to make moi moi. I'm actually going to make moi moi with these beans. This is what I have right now. I will still try my best to remove the leftover chaff there. Once again, please guys, don't forget to like and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. If you try out this video, let me know in the comment section how it came out for you, and if you have any problem, just let me know and I will respond immediately. There we have it, clean, fresh and spotless.